Hey, what's up guys, my name is Ball6David. Today I want to show you how to add funds to your Steam account, how to add money. You can have a wallet into your Steam account and not really necessary use your card always, or maybe you don't have a card. Okay, no problem, I will show you all this. If you don't have a card, you can add funds into your Steam account using PaySafe, and you can find PaySafe ATMs at almost every street corner. So to add funds to your Steam account, you have to locate your name in the top right corner. You can see I have already in my account like 0.93 cents. Let's press on that, and I'll have to press on view my wallet. And right now I can choose how much money I want to add. And if you use your card, you're not interested in your information. But if you use PaySafe ATM, you have to know, like, if you bought a 10 euro PaySafe, you will have to press on 10 euro. And if you use your card, doesn't really matter. Just press on how much you want to add. Right now I have to choose my method of payment, like Visa, Master, all these cards, or PayPal or PaySafe, as I told you. I will use PaySafe. Just you fill up with your information and that's it. And the same with your card, you'll have to add your card information. There is another way how to get this. If for some reasons this button is not working, press on Steam settings and let me find it. You'll have to go to account, then add funds, and it will get you in the same place. Or if you want to redeem a Steam gift card, you'll have to press here. And right now you just have to enter your Steam wallet code. I did that many times in the past, adding funds to my wallet. It was not a problem. So guys, I really hope I helped you with this video. If I helped you, don't forget to smash the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions. And I wish you one more thing. Have the greatest day you can have.